The wind howls through the shattered windows of the abandoned gas station, carrying the bitter chill of a world that has stopped functioning. Your throat is parched, burning with a thirst that feels like swallowing sand. Every step you take on the broken asphalt sends a sharp pain through your worn-out, shredded boots. You are desperate, scanning the desolate landscape for a pristine survival kit, praying for a miracle dropped from the sky. But survival, real survival, doesn't come in a shiny store-bought package. Look down, right there, half buried in the dirt and ignored by every scavenger who walked past before you, lies your absolute salvation. A single discarded car tire. Welcome to Primal Methods, where we turn the ruins of the old world into the unbreakable foundation of your survival. In the days before the collapse, society looked at this object as ugly, bulky waste. It was a nuisance that cost money to dispose of, piled up by the hundreds of millions in junkyards, vacant lots, and alleys. But you need to completely shatter that mindset right now. That tire is not garbage. It is a highly engineered composite structure, forged from vulcanized rubber, synthetic polymers, woven nylon, and high-tensile steel wire. It was specifically designed by advanced material science to withstand extreme temperatures, brutal chemical exposure, and thousands of pounds of mechanical stress while rolling at 70 miles per hour over broken roads. It is virtually indestructible. And today, it is going to save your life. Let's solve your first and most deadly problem: dehydration. Without water, your body shuts down in 3 agonizing days. You don't have a bucket, and you certainly don't have a waterproof tarp, but you have your survival knife and that tire. We are going to surgically harvest the sidewall. The sidewall is that flat, flexible ring of rubber located exactly between the heavy tread and the inner rim bead. Work your blade slowly and methodically along the curve where the sidewall meets the thick tread. It takes raw effort, but once you cut it free, you hold a massive 3/8-inch thick disc of layered rubber and fabric. This isn't just a piece of scrap. When you lay this disc on the ground and press the center down into a small dug hole or a frame of rocks, you instantly create a highly durable water collection basin. Unlike fabric that leaks or scavenged wood that rots, this vulcanized rubber is entirely non-porous. It will hold water indefinitely without contaminating it or degrading under the harsh UV rays of the blistering sun. A single sidewall can easily hold 2 to 4 gallons of life-saving water. Since every tire has 2 sidewalls, you just secured up to 8 gallons of vital water storage from a material that was literally rotting in a ditch. But its true power is in active collection. Leave it out during a sudden rainstorm, and the natural curvature acts as a perfect funnel. It directs every single drop that hits its surface straight into the center depression. If you need long-term storage, you can cut that rubber into wide strips, overlap them inside a deep pit, and create a massive underground cistern. This keeps your water cool, hidden from desperate scavengers, and completely prevents evaporation. Your thirst is finally quenched, and your mind is clear again. But as you look down at your bleeding feet, wrapped in nothing but torn rags, you realize a brutal truth. In this harsh new reality, if you cannot walk over shattered glass and twisted metal, you will die. How can this exact same piece of discarded rubber turn you into an unstoppable force on the move? Look at the main body of the tire. Specifically, focus on the thick, heavily patterned outer ring known as the tread. This isn't just a chunk of dead rubber. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering built to grip scorching asphalt under thousands of pounds of crushing force. It was designed to resist tearing and abrasion that would completely shred premium leather in a matter of hours. It can maintain its structural integrity through freezing blizzards and blistering heat waves exceeding 150 degrees. You are going to harvest this resilience to craft the most indestructible footwear known to human history. Cut a section of this tread so it is roughly 2 inches longer and 1 inch wider than your bare foot. You can feel the sheer density of the material as your blade aggressively works through it. Next, take a nail or the tip of your knife and heat it over an open flame until it glows red hot. Drive that blistering point through the thick rubber along the edges to punch your strap holes. Thread some scavenged wire, paracord, or even old shoelaces through these precision holes. You are creating a highly secure 3-point attachment system. Lock one strap tightly across your toes. Wrap another securely around your ankle. Run a diagonal connector firmly between them to lock your foot in place. In just 20 minutes of raw labor, you have armored yourself. These tire tread sandals are not some theoretical internet myth. They are battle-tested, hardcore survival gear. Guerrilla fighters in deep, unforgiving jungles and refugees crossing brutal terrains have relied on this exact method for decades. These makeshift soles will literally outlast any commercial military boot by a massive margin. You can now march relentlessly for miles over jagged glass, rusted debris, and toxic wastelands without feeling a single puncture. Your mobility is permanently secured. But walking aimlessly on an empty stomach is just a slower death sentence. You need protein. You need a way to hunt, to stitch torn gear, and to build complex traps to capture your next meal. Look closely at the inner rim of that scavenged tire. Hidden deep within that thickest, stiffest edge lies a tightly wound secret. It is called the bead. This is a hidden bundle of high-carbon, high-tensile steel wire designed to lock the tire onto a wheel rim under explosive pressures. Carefully slice the rubber away from the inner edge and aggressively peel it back to expose this metallic treasure. Grab your pliers or simply use your bare hands and slowly unwind the bundle. You are extracting a massive supply of strong, springy, and incredibly workable steel wire. A single average tire holds anywhere from 15 to 25 feet of this top-tier material. This is not cheap, brittle hardware store wire. This is survival gold. You can easily cut sections to fashion perfectly tensioned snare loops for trapping small, fast game along game trails. You can hold the tip of the wire over a flame until it becomes malleable. Then, bend it carefully around a small stick and sharpen the point on a river stone to forge deadly, unbreakable fishing hooks. You can even twist it into makeshift, heavy-duty needles for emergency wound closure or stitching thick canvas bags. Because it is genuine spring steel, it retains its tension flawlessly without ever fatiguing. You can weave multiple strands together to build impenetrable tripwires or massive structural lashings for your shelter. You now have water, you have armored footwear, and you have an endless supply of high-grade steel tools. But as the sun dips below the devastated horizon, a new, terrifying enemy rapidly approaches. The freezing, deadly grip of the apocalyptic night is closing in on you. How will this cold, black disk of rubber provide the vital, blazing heat you desperately need to survive the darkness? The biting cold of the apocalyptic night begins to seep into your bones. You desperately need a fire, but the surrounding wood is completely soaked from a relentless, freezing downpour. Your conventional tinder is utterly useless, turning to mush in your trembling hands, but you are not out of options because you hold the ultimate combustion engine. Take your knife and aggressively carve thin, paper-like shavings directly from the main body of the tire. This vulcanized rubber is a highly concentrated petroleum product just waiting to ignite. Strike your ferro rod, sending a single shower of sparks into the dark shavings. It catches almost instantly, roaring to life with a fierce, unnatural intensity. Tire rubber burns incredibly hot, and it stubbornly defies both howling winds and pouring rain. It acts as a brutal, unstoppable accelerant, violently vaporizing the moisture trapped inside your damp kindling and forcing it to burn. Once your initial fire is established, drop a larger, fist-sized chunk of the rubber right into the glowing core of your fire pit. That single piece will burn furiously for hours, generating a concentrated, sustained heat wave. You can use this blazing inferno to rapidly boil large volumes of questionable water, heat treat your newly forged steel tools, or simply keep hypothermia at bay. It is true that burning rubber produces a thick, billowing column of black smoke. In a hostile tactical situation, you must be careful, as this dark pillar could easily reveal your hidden position. But that exact same toxic smoke acts as an impenetrable, irritating shield against swarms of disease-carrying mosquitoes in a deep swamp. If you are desperately seeking rescue, that towering black plume instantly transforms into a massive, highly visible signal fire piercing the gray sky. Now your body is warm, but the rising wind brutally threatens to rip your fragile makeshift shelter apart. You urgently need strong rope to tie it down, but natural vines easily rot, and cheap synthetic cords violently snap under sudden, extreme tension. The tire offers one final, miraculous solution to secure your camp. Take your razor-sharp blade and carve long, continuous strips right from the remaining sidewall or the leftover tread. You are actively manufacturing heavy-duty, industrial-grade rubber strapping. This miraculous material completely revolutionizes how you bind objects together in the untamed wild. Unlike normal rope that constantly slips on wet or smooth surfaces, this rubber tightly grips metal pipes and glass bottles purely through extreme, unyielding friction. When a violent storm fiercely hits your shelter, rigid paracord will violently rip your tarp right out at the fragile anchor points. But your freshly cut rubber strapping will smoothly stretch and flex under the massive shock loads. It aggressively absorbs the destructive kinetic energy without ever snapping or tearing your gear. You can also use these powerful bands to build lethal, high-velocity slingshots for hunting small, fast prey. You can easily secure heavy, awkward loads tightly to a scavenged wooden sled. This strapping is entirely waterproof, completely immune to freezing snow, and unaffected by scorching desert heat. 10 years from now, that strip of rubber will be just as brutally strong and fiercely elastic as the exact second you cut it. You have just conquered the 5 foundational pillars of the apocalypse. You mastered water collection, crafted indestructible footwear, harvested high-tensile steel wire, summoned unstoppable fire, and forged unbreakable lashing. All of these monumental, life-threatening survival problems were completely annihilated by a single dirty object abandoned behind a forgotten gas station. While the weak and unprepared wander aimlessly, hopelessly looking for shiny tactical gear that no longer exists, you have evolved. You have learned to see the invisible potential hidden deep within the ruins. A collapsed world is never truly empty to those trained by the principles of Primal Methods. This discarded tire was never just toxic waste. It is a highly advanced, scientifically engineered survival kit cleverly disguised as common street garbage. Stop walking blindly past your salvation. Pick up your blade, harvest the apocalypse, and absolutely refuse to die.